So this is the belt. Let's basically open and see.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it comes in the Hermes box. Uh, you can see actually the box has their signature color with the brown outline.
I love the box. Love the
And
colors.
it's actually comes wrapped in this nice paper. The belt actually comes in two sets, okay? The belt buckle and the leather strap. See, the buckle I got is a palladium metal and their signature edge. And I also got a 95 centimeter belt, leather belt, which is reversible. So that means you can use it black or in brown. So the way to connect is that, okay, if you see this side, there is one hole. Okay, so the buckle actually attached with this one. So you basically move it this way and connect it.
Oh, awesome.
Okay,
Yeah.
and this is how you connect the buckle, and then you can actually put it okay, and then so this is how it goes.
Yeah. It looks beautiful.
This is
Wow.
really nice. So you can adjust it, you can reverse it. So you can actually, if the leather actually worn out, you can buy another belt. So this way you can actually change this buckle on multiple leather straps from Hermes. So it becomes very flexible. Okay, so they also sell the two things separately, even though you will see that on online they actually sell it as one, but when they charge you, they will charge you for buckle separately from the strap. You are aware that, okay, I'm not only fond of belts but also shoes. These are my first actually Hermes shoes. So let's see. The box is really very nice. You can see it has, uh, it says Hermes Paris. And one thing, because there are a lot of counterfeit basically for big designer names, the way to basically guarantee that you are getting it from genuine, authentic Hermes is to buy it from a Hermes boutique through an agent, which that means a salesperson on it, so that you are sure what you are getting is a genuine product. And when you get the product, you can actually do certain things to make sure it's genuine. Is like it should come in a cover, which actually should have a well defined their logo, and also you will actually see it actually should have a stamp on the back. It's a Hermes, and it actually is made in Italy. It's really very nice. If you look on the inside also, it's a Hermes. Yeah, the sole is also very nice. Yeah, these are Paris loafers and they are made with goat skin leather. As you can see, they also have the same palladium buckle which matches the belt. Though that's the purpose of actually having shoe with the same accessories as your belt, because whenever you wear these shoes, you can actually also wear the belt. If you own a pair of fine shoes, you will certainly want them to look good for years. While no shoes last forever, there are things you can do to prolong the life of the shoes. Along with proper cleaning and creamy. One of the best ways to preserve your shoes is by using shoe trees. So these are shoe trees. This is for the left and this is for the right. Why do you want to use shoe trees? When shoes are not being worn, they quickly begin to lose their shape. Since if you have multiple fine shoes and you are not going to wear them on a daily basis, then they will quickly basically will lose their shape. Shoe trees hold the original shape of your shoes and keep them from cracking. Additionally, if a shoe is not worn for a long period of time, it can actually shrink. Shoe tree prevents shrinking. Finally, everyone's feet perspire and the moisture can cause the leather lining to deteriorate. If you use cedar wood trees, they can absorb the moisture plus its fresh aroma help eliminate any odor. So, preserve your shoes with shoe trees.